Here it is. Here's the westbound freight train. Here at Dorval. At about 7:10 p.m. on a Sunday evening. And it's going to meet an eastbound commuter train here. EXO headed into the city. And this one's creeping, so I have a suspicion it's going to stop there, wait for the crew change. And then it'll move out. Of course, here's, ooh, nice! Yeah, so that's the new Via train there. Didn't quite get a good shot of that. Oh, it is pushing back, so it's not quite finished building its train up. So that's a preview. I'll probably get on the other side and film it. Yeah, so this is going to come back and I'll get it then. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.